It was not a good picture for the country, for a retired president who should be showing his people how to promote unity. He has received many guests in his home cabinet, and we wonder why he could not receive our deputy president. We wish to say that people of Kirinyaga, people of Kupa, we are behind and solid with solidarity, united to support our deputy president, and not only to support him to be the deputy, but to be the president in 2022. We are not being diverted by anyone, any community, and we urge the Rift Valley people to stand firm to support the Yaoundé son to be our leader. We are tired of the royal family leading us and putting the Kenyan people into ditches for their own interest. We want to promote another family. We want to promote another family which has not been in that reign of royalty, a new empire of leadership which will bring changes in Kenya, and we trust His Excellency Deputy President Mr. William Ruto will bring changes as our president. We have seen him grow from a hustler to a deputy president, and we believe he can promote this country to a higher level because he is a performer.